Well, right now we're looking at the potential tropical cyclone 2 moving quickly through the southern Windward Islands. At 8 p.m., it was located 15 kilometers east of Trinidad, but it is moving west quickly at 40 kilometers per hour. It still is maintaining sustained winds of 65 kilometers per hour. But although the system lacks a close circulation, there's still some strong convection, and we can see that on the satellite imagery there. There's some banding occurring towards the north, but basically we're still seeing that system moving across the Windward Islands. Now, there have been impacts from the heavy rains elsewhere, in fact, up towards the Windward Islands. We have been looking at St. Vincent and the Grenadines. There is a flood watch in effect in St. Vincent, and in St. Lucia there's also severe weather advisory from this evening into early Wednesday morning. This is the latest radar imagery here. You can see the little reds and oranges. Those are the heavier showers coming through. This radar is based in Barbados and also up through the French Antilles. So we can see some of that rainfall there coming through. Now, there is some intensification possible into Wednesday. A high chance at 90% of a tropical storm forming over the next couple of days. The environment is favorable. There's low shear, there's a moderately moist conditions, and there are also some warm waters. 28 degrees Celsius in places as this system moves over the southern Caribbean Sea, and it will likely near the northern coast of Venezuela and the northeast coast of Colombia as we go through early on Wednesday and Thursday. So expecting that this track, as we go for the next few days, pushing it along towards the west-northwest along the coast of Venezuela. But as it interacts with the land, that's what's inhibiting the intensification so far. But there's still that high chance that it could become a tropical storm by then. Now, for boaters and mariners, the tropical storm warning is in effect for those coastal areas. There's also a spring tide in effect, so the tides will likely be higher than normal. So marry that with the rough seas. We're expecting offshore waves of 3 to 3.5 meters, and it could turn occasionally choppy in those sheltered bays. So exercise extreme caution along those fishing ports.